Hello everybody, it is the one and only chickenroboto here. For what? What is this? You didn't expect a let's play? Well, I'm doing one. And hopefully my voice isn't as loud or horrible as last time. So hopefully this thing will be good. Ooh, mail! Nothing. Yep. Play my Wii for exactly half an hour today. Yes, guys, we are. Wait. Let me sort of explain this. We are technically doing a let's play Wii Play because I haven't gotten anything planned, but I wanted to use the Dazzle capture card. I'm like so excited, and this will sort of carry you guys over until my next let's play comes or my next event comes. So let's sort of play Wii Play. Yep, this is gonna be horrible because my sensor bar is being a jerk to me today. I'll make sure it's securely fastened, especially since I'm not going to wear the wrist strap because I don't have a wrist strap on this one. We play. I can't decide which button to press. Let's do one player. And we're going to be playing as B Mario this time because I don't want you to see my real me. So yeah, I just quickly played through all these games beforehand just to get the feel of them because I haven't played this game in like forever. Let's start with the shooting range, like Duck Hunt, except with balloon party. So pretty much all you do is with your Wii remote. No duck! Just direct your pointer to shoot balloons and other obstacles. And you go through different levels in this game, and pretty much just press A or B to shoot. I preferably use B to shoot, well, because it feels like I'm pulling the real trigger of a gun. Yeah, not really, but it's more comfortable. This for the red targets are worth 10, or like different color targets are worth 10. Yeah, just to let you know I suck at all these games. I heard a dog bark. Oh my god, I keep on missing ducks. I always miss that one. Next level. This time you get a little surprise flying saucer. Or they could be like frisbee, but I think they're alien. Shoot those gosh darn aliens. And if they're like discolored and they give you 5 points, if they're regular they give you 3 points. Shoot them off from this distance. Get away from my home planet, aliens. Don't be taking me today. I got my... Yeah, ducks are worth 10 points. Where's that dog now? Love to shoot him. This might be the closest thing we pretty much get to a Duck Hunt remake. But still, soda pop. Pretty much you just have to keep the can up, and you get more combo points. But I suck at this part. I used to be really good at it. Not even close. Not even close. Duck! Those are mean ducks. They're distracting ducks. Yeah, I'm gonna focus on this one can. Or not. Final level, yeah! Look, we have little me's of ourselves. Oh! No, you won't be taking me today! And they start freaking out like, oh my god! I'm gonna let you take me away, or my multiple clones that I made in the laboratory. On the laboratory. Yeah. Come on, you're my only hope. Oh, no, you don't. Survivor's guilt! Aha! Yeah, I'm not good at this. Ooh, new record! Yay! Personal best! Bronze medal? Yeah, I might be going for the medal. Probably not. This is sort of like a joke let's play, relax let's play. Learn a different game! I can probably record this all in one sitting and then split it up in like maybe 2 parts. Look who's sitting in the background. Ooh. Find me! Pick out the right faces from the crowd. Aim with the remote and press A to select. Pretty much we're playing a game of Spot 'em or Where's Waldo? I can't tell. Dang it, Afro Brothers, you always confuse me. Ah. Oh, look at the cute sound they make, and they dance around being reunited. Find me you're using. Be Mario, be Mario. Oh, what are you doing all the way back there, Mr. Me? Yeah, because we're standing in the middle of the road, because they obviously can't get bothered by hitting. The one that sort of looks like Sheik. Haha. Find the two lookalikes. Oh my god. Oh my god, I suck at this game. Oh my god, what? Hello? Anybody? No. Oh, that was close. I know one of you remakes. Look, find the two more. Oh, I needed that. Oh, this sucks. Darn, that's not Dracula. Cool kid with glasses. Yeah. Okay, I was just guessing at that point. I'll try again, 'cause that was really bad. I'll actually like do better at some point. That was okay. That's okay with you, game. Just getting your permission to do good. Dun dun. Your name's Craig and your name's Bill. Bill and Craig, twins. Guess. And two legs. I can tell. Oh, they jump for joy in the middle of the street, and then the taxi mows them down. Find me, I'm using that pretty easy. Yep, pretty easy. Boom, boom. Aren't I stupid? Bum, bum. Oh my god. No, I hate this. I hate this. No, you're wearing sunglasses. You're not. Deborah! You look kind of weird, but Deborah, no offense. 1, 2 odd me's out. What? Oh my god, I can't even. I stink at this. I'll come back to this later. Cause I seriously can't do this. I'm horrible at this game. I know there's gonna be somebody like this. You suck, watch my best time. Oh my god. Ping pong! Even something I stink at more. I don't wanna grab the paddle. No! You can make me. Oh, fine. For the sake of the viewers, I will hold the paddle. Let's do a rally, man. Oh, I'm supposed to get 100, but I can only get 6 because I'm not good. It's my personal best. Personal best. Hooray! Play it again. Let's play it again. Grab, snatch. Oh my god! What's wrong with me? Oh, this is so horrible. Yay! New record! Oh my god. And you go to the left. What? You broke the pattern! You're not supposed to do that! Oh, that's it. No, I didn't mean. Fine, I start over. How about that? I'll just start over from now on until I do good. Can I at least get to 10? That'd be like great if I could actually get to 10. Yay, made 10! And I have 2 people watching me. That's the same amount of my viewer account. Ooh, sick burn on myself. Only 2 people watching my videos. Oh, sick burn on myself. Come on, gotta go for one more. Gotta go again. This is compelling me to like do better. Like I cannot fail in front of YouTube. Even though people make a living of doing that. Ooh, sick nasty burn again. I don't know on who that sick nasty burn was on, but I don't care. Come on, please, game. You don't win tonight. Ow, that's pointy. That's pointy. Nothing. Cut my foot. Please, please, please. That's it. I quit. Game. Next one is pose me. Twist the remote to spin the me left and right and switch poses by pressing A or B. We can do cartwheels. So this is pretty much your standard pose. You press A to get upright and B to go down. Then you can do this creepy Egyptian pose. So yeah, for the first level, pretty much just don't switch out of this position. Yeah. This is not even a game I can be remotely okay at. Big blowing bubble. Oh yeah, no super flashy rainbow ones will freeze time for a little bit. Nope. Oh. I'm so bad. Why? Excellent. Yeah. We're dancing. Cartwheels. We have a bird in the background. Bird. No, I did not take these pictures. No. 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 I guess like when you beat every bubble on the screen, time resumes, I guess. I still think there's like a time limit, so you can't like take forever to get one bubble. 1 or 2 bubbles! Free time. See? That helped a lot. Like, that really did help. Just because I got an excellent! I'm actually doing way better than I did. But now, funky pose. I love the funky pose. Ooh, flowers. Walk like an Egyptian. Okay, that's not a good thing for me to say. I don't want to hurt anybody's feelings. No, you don't! No, I dropped a bubble. So the game like scolds you for a second, like, oh, get back to business. Aw, so close. Sadness. I will spin in sadness. Bum. What? No, no. Free time. Freeze time. Worked every time. Get it? Free time, worked every time. I just dropped the bubble. Oh, I was trying to go for the time freeze. I'm trying to get these. Okay. I'm not gonna beat this next level. Great. This is gonna be horrible. Remember, A is to go up. B is to go down. A is to go up. B is to go down. Take my time, taking my time. Oh my god, this is horrible commentary too. Oh well. Let's see, I've been recording for like 15 minutes. Okay. I might have to end the part off here, so chickenroboto signing out. Victory dance away! Yes. Ooh, bronze medal! Cool! So chickenroboto signing out. See ya.